What professionals can I hire to help me investigate a structural problem? Long story short, the attached garage on my house has foundation issues and also structural issues with the roof. The main structure does not have these issues. I know I need to do something about it. But I don't know what to do. Can it be repaired? Do I need to tear it down? Something else? Which profession do I hire to help me find the correct solution to this? A general contractor? Structural engineer? Architect? Something else? I'm in the US. Question from user Matthew Alden at Stack Exchange. Answer: call a few general contractors and get their opinion on what need to be done. They will know if something is a normal repair or if engineering needs to be consulted. Get more than a few quotes. Don't be surprised if some say they aren't interested or can't help you. Don't assume that the highest bid is from a GC trying to rip you off. Take your own notes. Find out how long the project will take. When will it be able to be started? Ask for referrals. Don't be afraid to ask if the GC has done this kind of work before. Get the proposals and compare what each plans to do to correct your issues. Then you can ask more questions here. We do not debate on pricing. However, we can advise on material and methods. Answer from user RM Demon at Stack Exchange.